Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller via USB and letting drivers settle. This prevents wireless noise. Once recognized, open Steam Big Picture or Windows game controllers and run the calibration wizard. This maps neutral values and exposes drift baselines. Make sure to disable other controllers and Bluetooth so inputs don't conflict. If firmware updates are offered, apply them now. They often adjust dead zone handling. You're setting a clean, repeatable state so subsequent mechanical or software fixes are meaningful and measurable. Once calibrated, adjust dead zone and linearity so tiny stick noise won't register. You should increase dead zone in small steps. Start at 5% and go to 15% only if needed, because larger dead zones reduce precision. Use DS for Windows, Steam input, or the game's controller options to set raw input and remap axes. This helps verify whether software can compensate. Also run a joystick diagnostic tool while moving the stick slowly. Watch telemetry to see if values return cleanly to center, which tells you whether it's software. You finish by addressing the hardware. First, clean around the stick with compressed air and short isopropyl wipes to remove debris that creates asymmetric contact. Once done, retest. If drift persists, remove the module and inspect the analog potentiometers. Replace the module or pot if worn, which restores mechanical center. After repair, recalibrate and verify in multiple games to confirm consistency. If problems continue, a final troubleshooting tip. Try a different PC or USB cable to rule out host-side noise or power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.